I love chili. I like to think on the spicy side. I usually think of chili as beefy, probably heavy on the beef, light on the beans, but vegetarian chili can also be good. So I'm open-minded, looking forward to what we have today.
For me, the first impression, there's a lot of flavorful ingredients in this, like vegetables. You can have meat, you can mix with beans and come up with a dish.
I didn't know that chilies is kind of soup. I thought chilies is just like you put it on top of something.
So we're not exactly sure what American chili is, so we look up on the internet. And then some people actually say that it tastes quite similar to Johor cuisine called kacang pul. So yeah, that's it, I think.
Nothing really beats chili padi, so it's good. But I hope some of the cooks will consider using chili padi in their chili cook-off next time.
I got my white kicking chicken chili. Being from the south, chili to me means you gotta have a lot of meat, you gotta have beans, you gotta have a little bit of spice. Today I toned it down a little bit, so we've got like a mild to medium level chili for you.
With my chili jalapeno popper, I went for a little bit of spice and a little bit of beef and a little bit of beans with the deliciousness of cheese, trying to put everything into it that you might get when you come to Idaho.
Mike King with my chili dark matter. Secret ingredient is a whole lot of beef and a whole lot of spices. Not very spicy, but very delicious.
Chili to me is hearty Southern comfort.